much your baked beans?
$5 a pound.
That's very expensive. Baked beans! You want to hear some baked beans?
Get some at $5 a pound. Get them at only Target.
Quite a bargain, if you ask me.
And then we got the baked bean buyer here.
We got the baked bean buyer running away because it's so expensive. These baked beans are so delicious.